The promise of a miracle in a spray bottle is a hard thing to ignore when you're tired of the daily battle against stubble and razor burn. We have all seen those clips. A person sprays a mystery mist on their arm and wipes away every single hair with one smooth motion. It looks like a dream come true. This is exactly how FleekPure is being marketed to thousands of people right now. It claims to offer a painless and effortless way to get rid of unwanted hair. But we need to look past the high-energy music and the perfect lighting in those ads. These products are basically chemical melting agents for your hair. They use specific ingredients called depilatories to break down the protein bonds that give your hair its strength. Once those bonds are gone, the hair turns into a soft mush. You can just wipe it off with a towel. It sounds simple. It sounds like the ultimate life hack. However, there is a very dark side to these miracle solutions. If a chemical is powerful enough to dissolve hair, it is definitely powerful enough to damage your skin. This is my biggest concern with FleekPure. When you look at their marketing, it is very hard to find a clear and honest list of ingredients. A legitimate beauty company should be proud of its formula. They should be telling you exactly what is inside. They should also be giving you very specific warnings about where you can and cannot use the product. Your skin has different levels of sensitivity. The skin on your legs is much tougher than the skin on your face or other delicate areas. Using a harsh chemical in the wrong place can lead to serious redness or even painful chemical burns. I see so many of these brands pop up on social media with zero history and no reputation. They use the same flashy before and after videos to grab your attention. They want you to buy on impulse. They're betting that you will not do your homework. Is it a scam? It might not be a total fraud, but it is certainly a high-risk purchase. You are essentially being a guinea pig for a product that lacks transparency. If you cannot find a real street address for the company or a clear return policy, you should be very worried. Results will always vary. Your skin type and hair thickness play a huge role in how these chemicals react. What works for one person might cause a massive breakout for another. Also, remember that this is not a permanent fix. These sprays only work on the surface. They do not kill the hair at the root. Your hair will grow back just as fast as it would after shaving. You are risking a skin reaction for a very temporary result. If you really want to try it, please be careful. Always do a patch test on a tiny spot first. Wait 24 hours to see if your skin reacts. Do not trust the influencers who are being paid to tell you it is perfect. Look for real, unfiltered feedback from people who bought it with their own money. Your skin is far too important to gamble with for the sake of a viral trend. If a brand hides its details, they do not deserve your trust or your hard-earned cash. Stick to products that value your safety as much as your vanity. It is better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your health and your wallet. Stay curious and stay cautious out there.